Hey guys, just a quick guide on how to use and connect to your hotspot on your new T-Series head unit. So first things first, go to settings and make sure that your actual hotspot is enabled. Same goes with an Android phone. I'm just using my own personal Apple for this one. Go to network and turn Wi-Fi on. So this should show up, and if it doesn't, you can turn it off and on again. So that's connected to our office network. If you press Lachlan's iPhone and you put in my very complicated password, it will connect. And this will just enable you to go on and use your Play Store and use the internet. So it says connected no internet, and then it should say connected. There you go. So now you are connected. So if I was to go and use Chrome, for example, and I was to go through this as an example, and I was to type in media, it pops up, no worries. So all good, you are now connected to the internet, and the same goes to the Play Store. If you go into the Play Store, you can now download anything you want, just like it was your own phone if you have an Android. So yeah, there you go, that's how to connect to Hotspot.